That's why we do what we do, is to put the money into sinking funds. So when we need the money, we have it available. We don't have to charge it. We don't even really have to go to the bank. I could just take the cash and go and take care of these expenses. And I've done that sometimes. Sometimes I like to, if you see my cash condensing, I pull the money and I take it to the bank. And then when it's time to spend the money, now listen, this is the key. When it's time to spend the money, I have this app called YNAB. And so every time I spend the money, I enter it into the app right away so that I can reduce, the category. So you tell YNAB how much money you have in household. So that way, when I go spend money against household, it reduces the balance in household. So that's how I keep up with my expenses. I'm not promoting YNAB because honestly, it's some things I don't like about it. It's sometimes complicated to balance out because I like to balance my money. So I'm not really promoting it, but it is a tool that I've been using just to see, I have my spreadsheets before, and so I might go back to that. But anyway, for now, I'm using that to track the money. The key of what I'm sharing with you is that once you save the money, you go through all this effort to save the money for a particular expense like household, or this is going to another savings challenge. Once you have designated that money for the expense, what's the point if you just spend it? The point of saving it and putting it in those categories is so that you now use that money for the designated purpose, and you've got to find a way to track it. And if you're having difficulties finding a way to track it, please give me go to my website, onyxjones.com, and sign up for a free consultation. We'll do a 30-minute call. I'll help you get it all set up. All right. And I also offer wealth coaching. So if you want to do wealth coaching, please look me up. Same website, onyxjones.com, and sign up for wealth coaching. And I will coach you into your prosperity. Yes. Woo! Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, Budget for Success. Woo! Today we're going to make money, save money. Cha-ching! All right, today is going to be a good day. You know why? Because we've got good vibes on leg, good vibes on leg. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes on leg. We only have good vibes. Yes. Woo! Woo! Yes, we got good vibes today. I am so excited. We have a lot to do, so let's get started. Shawoom! All right. Okay, it's 2025 and I have started these 2025 savings challenges. Lord, pray for me. I don't usually do year-long savings challenges, but a couple of people got me motivated and inspired. So we saved for January, February, March, and now, y'all, we got to save for April. But what money we gonna save with anyway? Shwoom! When she swoops in, is to remind us that life is short and not let worries cloud a single day. Don't let worries cloud a single day. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we got a lot to do in here. First, we got some money, and then we got some savings challenges that we need to finish for March Madness. All right, let's see how much money we have. I have dropped my cash thing, so we'll see how much it is. 20, 40. All right, let's do my numbers. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, half 10, half 11, half 12, half 13, half 14. Half 15, half 16, half 17, half 18. So we're at 180, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 190, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 200. So $200. Woo! Cha-ching! All right. Ooh, all All right, I was able to count that without the help of a guide. This beautiful savings binder is from Chris, Budgeting Just Because, but it was gifted to me from Janine, 9 Blossoms. Yes, and so we're gonna save $11, but I don't have $11, so it should be a total of $15 in here. So let's take the 2 4s back. And let's just put $15 there. That's how we do that, because we don't have ones. We have ones, but they're in packs of 5. So that's saved. And then we saved already for April. So we're done for this. Okay, at year end, we're going to have all of this saved. And it's going to be exciting to see how much money we have saved. And then we're also going to be able to cash this in at year end. So we're saving $5 a month. This is from the Blessed Ladies collab. Yes, yes, it's not too late to go download this. You can start saving $5, and by the end of the year, we'll have $300 saved. These are the beautiful ladies that I am doing the challenge with. We've got Barbie, Gracie, Desi, Tanya, me, Onyx, Miss Bunny, Lil's World, Trina, and Christy. All of us are in the Blessed Ladies 2025 collab. And so we are in April, and we are going to save $5. That's what we're going to do. So there. So $5. So I'm going to take this 5 out and put a 10 in. There we go. So we have $10 for April. Because there's 5, I'll have to catch up at some point, because there's more. I was saving $5 a week, but obviously there's not 5 Fridays or Saturdays in April, so we'll figure that out. Now I got to save in my bunny money. Swoo! This is from Star Budgets, and it was gifted to me from Hopping in the Budget with Bunny. Hopping in the Budget with Bunny. 5 different ways to save money. Stop and say you came her way. Now hit subscribe and check your girl out another day. All right, so we would add $5. So we now have $20, $35, $37, $39 in our bunny money. Eventually, I'll have all of this scratched off, and we'll see how much money we have. All right, now we are going to save some money in our new savings challenge book from Bunny. All right, so you can check this out on her coffee shop. Please, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to roll the dice and see where are we going to save. I have 12 savings challenges. It comes with 13. So there's an extra one that didn't make the cut. All right, we're going to number 10. Number 10. And how much are we saving? Let's do $10 in number 10. So this is Sleeping Bunny. It says, how long will Bunny sleep? She won't wake up until she completes this savings challenge. Each star is $5, so you will save a total of $100 in here. Yes. Number 4. Let's go back to number 4. And number 4 is 2 Blue Bunny. Let's see. Let's roll and see how much we're saving in 2 Blue Bunny. 4. So 2, 4, 6, $8. $8 in 2 Blue Bunny. We are 2 blue. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So 5, 7, and I need to break up. I need ones. So 5, 7, and 8. $8 in number 4. Number 4, which is my 2 Blue Bunny. Due to the $2 price of each Blue Bunny, we'll have $72 saved in the end. Hold on one second. Okay, I think I got disconnected way back when. I don't know where I got disconnected at. But, so we finish. Okay, the only one that I'm not finishing, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 is bunnies challenge. But this is okay. I'm going to bring Bunny's Challenge back next week because I am doing this other Bunny Challenge too. So let's just do this Bunny Challenge with this Bunny Challenge. And we'll have 2 Bunny Challenges. There. That's how we're going to do that. Ah! Woo! Work it. Okay. All right. Now, let's see where the money is going. All right. So what I'm doing, I have a Sinking Fund randomizer from Save with Judy. So number 12. Number 12 is going to the car. So this is card. Card just got $12. That's why we do what we do. Number 2 is taxes. If not for this year, it'll be next year. Number 10 is household. I am always slow to get my taxes done because number 1, it's not fun to me. Number 8, graduation. The other reason is we don't typically get like a refund. So it's like, who's in a hurry to, you know, file taxes when you know you ain't getting no money? Number 2, taxes again. I'm hoping I don't need this money. Number 3, the cruise. Yes, the cruise. Number 6 is my high income binder. It's bunny money going to my high income binder. I put bunder. Oh, Lord help her. Vacation. Vacation fund, another 1, 2, vacation. Number 6, high income binder. Number 7, college. Number 3, the cruise. I love that. Number 5, health. Health usually gets some money. And the final one, number 8, is graduation. This is the last graduation that I have to budget for. I'm quite excited. Yes, 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 yes. Woo! That was it, guys. That was it. Look, all of this money, all of these savings challenges complete. Yes, yes, yes. I don't even know how much it is. I should add it up. Okay, hold on. Let me add it up. $204, all going to sinking funds. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you like this video and you want more fun videos, please come back, like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.